Phrase 1. Merry as a cricket. Meaning. Very happy and carefree. Example. The little children are as merry as the day is long. Mary is as merry as a cricket whenever she has company come to call. Phrase 2. Thread through something. Meaning. To travel through a crowded area. To move carefully through an area where there are many obstacles. Example. The joggers threaded through the shoppers on the sidewalks. The spy threaded through the crowd at the palace. Phrase 3. Hiss at someone or something. Meaning. 1. For a reptile, to make a hissing sound as a warning. Example. The audience hissed at the performer, who was not all that bad. The snake hissed at me. Otherwise I wouldn't have known it was there. The lizard hissed at the snake. 2. For someone, to make a hissing sound at someone to show disapproval. Phrase 4. Get something out of one's system. Meaning. 1. Lit. To get something like food or medicine out of one's body, usually through natural elimination. Example. I got riding roller coasters out of my system when I was young. I can't get it out of my system. I want to go back to school and earn a degree. 3. Fig, to do so much of something that one does not want or need to do it anymore. My baby, Mary, ate applesauce and has been crying for 3 hours. She'll stop when she gets the applesauce out of her system. 2. Fig, to be rid of the desire to do something that you have been wanting to do so that you aren't bothered by wanting to do it anymore. Phrase 5. Cut oneself on something. Meaning. To slice one's flesh with something accidentally. Example. Careful. Don't cut yourself on that broken glass. Careful, you will cut yourself on that knife. Phrase 6. Stitch something up. Meaning. To sew something together. To mend a tear or ripped seam. Example. I tore my shirt. Would you stitch it up, please? Please stitch up my shirt. Phrase 7. After a fashion. Meaning. In a manner that is just barely adequate. Poorly. Example. He thanked me, after a fashion, for my help. Oh, yes, I can swim, after a fashion. Phrase 8. Stretch the point. Meaning. To exaggerate. Example. When he claimed to have a PhD, he was stretching the truth. Sally tends to stretch the point when telling tales about her wild teenage years. Phrase 9. Use something by something. Meaning. To consume or complete the use of something by a specified time. Example. Please use this jar of mayonnaise by the last day of the month. Use this one by next week. Phrase 10. Top something off. Meaning. To add to the difficulty of something. Example. Jane lost her job, and to top that off, she caught the flu. I had a bad day, and to top it off, I have to go to a meeting tonight.